I've been coming out here since the mid-90s, documenting the scenery, all the amazing animals, quirky little towns. But mostly, I'm here for the lightning. Ground strikes here are so much more vibrant and visible than with the beasts I usually encounter in Tornado Alley. Here the bases can be super high, and there's usually a lot less rain underneath. So you get a lot more bang for the bang. Sometimes your lens is following the tiniest little storm. It almost looks like just a cloud. But photographers here know what these little suckers are capable of. So you just shoot and shoot and shoot until eventually, pow. 4 or 5 clear CGs connecting to the ground in one event. So many fingers and branching. That with the mountains and the desert. It's just the dreamiest place in the world sometime. In the summertime, there's a large-scale wind shift that transports tropical air here. And so in the desert, we get the North American monsoon. One valley looks like it hasn't seen rain in a decade. The next one looks more like Costa Rica than Arizona. You get a lot of pulse storms. They only last 30-40 minutes. It begins with an explosive updraft. That matures into a storm. It fires lightning all over the place. Then it collapses on itself in a burst of water and wind. The dead storm's surging outflow boundary then may help initiate another cell updraft. And the cycle is born again. Suddenly on radar, you see a storm just going nuts with lightning 30 miles away, and right when you get there, it dies. And of course, another one pops up over the location you just left. Good summer afternoons usually begin with storms developing over the mountains. I like the daytime stuff. It's more of a challenge to capture these bolts, and there's a lot less white noise of these kinds of photos swarming the internet. But you've always got one eye on the forecast, waiting for it all to come together at sunset. And when it does come together, it's usually in a different spot than what you calculated. It almost doesn't matter because you can shoot a storm 30 miles away and still get great results. At night, all the snakes and scorpions come out. You're alone on some gravel road in the middle of nowhere. You hear animals walking by and snorting at you in the blackness.
What the hell have I been looking at? Oh, it's a deer.
The coyotes, the javelina, deer, whatnot, are just letting you know you're trespassing.
There's animals everywhere.
The sky is so clear. It's hard to find the constellations because they're buried in a trillion other stars.
Nice green trail on that one.
Your mind is wandering all over the place. And just maybe, you'll catch a big jellyfish.
Boom! Ghost! Holy moly! I'm in Arizona today. The last 7 out of 7 days have all been non-stop lightning, starting at 4 o'clock, going till midnight, and then sometimes even shooting TLEs after that. It's been an incredible year, the best monsoon I've had. But anyway, I got some good footage. I thought I'd show you guys. I got it just now in my hotel. New drone footage. First time ever aired anywhere. Drone footage debut. Hope you enjoy it.